Hello, or should I say marhaba.
مرحبا.
Welcome not only to a new video but to a new series. We will be talking about Harakat, those marks that define the way letters are pronounced, like the ones you see here. Okay? That's why they're called Harakat, which literally means moves, the plural of a move, moves. They define how letters move. I've got to move. They're often described in English as short vowels, but I don't think that's accurate. I mean, they're pronounced like short vowels, but a vowel is supposed to be a letter or a character. These are marks, not letters or characters. You'll understand that as you get to know them and practice them. Let's look at this example. Look at this word. Ha, mim, sad. Now, this could be hummus, which is hummus or chickpeas, or the dip that is made of chickpeas, hummus. Or it could be Hims, or Homs in English, which is a famous city in Syria. Now, Harakat will give you the right pronunciation, and thus you'll know which of the two this word is. Of course, the context can be enough for you to distinguish between the two in this case. Like if someone says that they ate أكلت ح ميم صاد means أكلت حمص, for sure he didn't eat the city Hims. Or if the opposite, if someone says that they visited ح ميم صاد, they visited Hims, they didn't visit hummus. Okay, but there are many cases where changing a single haraka of one letter, changing this will change the meaning of the whole sentence. Now, the process of adding harakat to letters is called tashkeel, which literally means shaping. Again, you'll know all about that in this series. The harakat aren't many, they're just a few, and they're quite simple, you'll see. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.